VLOOKUP is a really useful function to use in Excel, but one of the biggest problems with using it is when you reference a column number and specify a number. Because the problem is, as your data set grows or changes, that column index number may no longer be correct and you're retrieving values from the wrong column, and thus your results are wrong and you don't have an error. So the data may be incorrect and you may not even know it because there's not an error message. And so how do you get around this? So rather than entering an actual index number, in this case column 14, what I can do is utilize the match function. So in the place of 14, I'm going to use the match function and say lookup for the column that I want to retrieve. In this case, it's total sales. That's going to be my lookup value. And I'm going to look across these headers. And then I'm going to look for an exact match type. And by doing so, now I no longer have to worry about my column number being hard-coded. And now if I want to change the field to, let's say, subtotal or something else, it's automatically going to adjust. I don't have to worry about counting the columns or having some surprises if the data set changes.